for further information.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for coastal British Columbia at 3:33 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Friday, September 27th, 2013. A rainfall warning continued for Metro Vancouver. A wind warning is issued for Metro Vancouver.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour la côte de la Colombie-Britannique à 15h33, heure avancée du Pacifique, le vendredi 27 septembre 2020.
For today, rain ending near noon, then cloudy with 60%.
Violent est émis pour Vancouver métropolitain.
Forecast for the south coast of British Columbia issued at 11 p.m. Friday, September 27th. For today and Saturday. Forecast for Greater Victoria. For today, periods of rain mixed with drizzle ending early this afternoon, then cloudy with 30% chance of showers. Temperatures steady near 13. For tonight, cloudy. Rain beginning before morning. Temperatures steady near 11. For Saturday, rain ending late in the afternoon, then cloudy. Winds becoming southeast 20 kilometers per hour in the afternoon, except 60 near the Strait of Georgia late in the afternoon. High 16. The outlook for Greater Victoria. For Sunday, rain. Low 10, high 15.